TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you decided to join us on this video. If you would like to see more from me, then go ahead and make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you when I post another video. To all my lovely subscribers, welcome back. Thank you guys for rocking with your girl. So in this video, this is a long awaited video for me. As you can see, I've already showed you in the clips before this how to install passion twist within 30 minutes. Y'all, this style was so quick for me to install. The passion twist wave was something that I have been wanting to do for a long time. I actually did the individual passion twist. If you would like to see a video of that, let me know. But it wasn't the crochet style, it was actually twisting them myself. I did it about 2 or 3 months ago, but everything happened so fast I wasn't able to click record. So if you would like for me to record one of those videos, just let me know. This passion twist is going to be from Janet Collection. I did receive 6 packs from them, and I have them in a color 1B, as you can already see from the beginning clips of this video. I have my hair braided straight back. I have about 12 braids in the front, 6 braids in the back, and this style took me 30 minutes to install. Now in the beginning of the clips, that's when I installed it. Right now, sitting in front of you, it's been about a week since I've had them in, and of course they still look flawless. The only thing that I really have to do is fix my edges. Now, there are some cons to this hair. So the pros to this hair is definitely the fact that you can do it yourself as long as you know how to braid. Now, I'm a part of Struggle Braiding University, so I have my sister braid my hair down. So I guess I kind of cheat a little bit, but she always braids my hair down, whether I'm wearing crochet, wigs, etc. I always get my hair braided for protective styles. So she does my braids. So something that you can do in the comfort of your home, and it can save you money. That's a second pro. It saves you money. I believe right now people are doing passion twists for $150, $200. I just don't have that type of money. And if I do, I would rather spend it on something else versus getting a style like this that is going to only last me like 3 weeks. And the only reason why I say it's gonna last me 3 weeks is because y'all know I'm 3 to 4 weeks when it comes to all of my crochet. So with me, I know styles don't usually last me more than 4 weeks. Another pro is it doesn't take as long as actually twisting the hair. You can do this in 30 minutes. Those are my pros, not the cons. The cons are gonna come with the actual style of the hair. So I'm gonna be inserting clips in here. Now I say with the style of the hair, it could be the way that it was twisted in the factory. Some of the twists, the pack comes in 15 twists. Some of the twists, when you put them inside of your hair, it doesn't come with the loop to where you can actually pull it all the way through. So some of the loop is actually sticking off of your braid, and I'm going to insert a clip in here, and I hope I'm explaining it the right way, but it doesn't go all the way through the loop. So if you keep pulling it, it's like you yanking on your hair, but it's not pulling all the way through for you to tie it. I did receive a lot of them like that, and I put some in the front so that you can actually see what I was talking about, and I wore it like that to try to see, because at first I could tell that it was like that, but as the week progressed, it started to get worse. So that's just something you definitely want to make sure that you're looking for. And if that happens to you, you can definitely just take that twist out and pretty much just put it in the back and then bring another twist to the front. Now, as you can see, the way my braiding pattern was, this is not a style that you can put up into a ponytail. It's just not gonna work. I definitely think that this hair, it would last you 4 weeks. It does have, I don't have any shedding, but it does have tangling. The hair definitely tangles. It's sticking together, so you do have to run your fingers through it. Go through it. That would just be something I would do in the morning. You can just go through it, run your hands through it, and get those little strings out, and then you'll be good to go. I don't have to put any other product on this hair. The only product that I put is, when I showed you in the beginning of this video, I did put product on my actual natural hair in between my scalp. Other than that, there's no other products that I have to put on this hair. So that's something that you definitely don't have to worry about. It's pretty much just good to go when you get them in there. I absolutely love them. I believe you can get these for like $6.99, $7.99 a pack. You don't have to order them online. Probably have them at your local beauty supply store, because I know they have them at all of the ones I've been to in my area, so I'm definitely sure that you can find it there. I do think that 6 packs is a great amount of packs. However, for my braiding pattern, I have 12 braids in the front and 6 in the back. I kind of wish that I only had 10 braids in the front and 5 in the back because I actually ran out of hair. I need at least one more pack. Like I stated before, it's 15 twists in each pack. I need at least one more pack to finish the style. I'm not gonna show you in the video, but there are missing spots in between. I strategically placed them that way because I knew I was running out of hair, and I believe that could be because my braids are so small in the front, which to me, they aren't really that small. I just think that I just have a lot of hair, and so 7 packs would have been good to me. They're not heavy at all, they're very lightweight, so I believe adding one more pack, it's only 15 more twists, it wouldn't really do a difference to me. Now if we're talking 2 more packs, that's different, but I definitely don't need 2 more packs. I just only need 1 more. So I mean, if that's something you want to go towards, 7 packs definitely for the 12 braids in the front if you have a thick grain of hair like I do. But to me, I think 10 braids and 5 in the back is perfectly fine for this style. Now if you want to make them more close together, 12 braids would definitely be realistic, and 7 packs will be the most. I wouldn't go beyond 7 packs because I think after 7 packs it probably will start to get a little heavy and it'll probably look like too much hair. And like I said, it's a protective style. It helps you grow your natural hair. It helps you keep your hands out your hair. It helps you keep your hands out your head. It helps you save money. Like I am so, y'all know me, I'm into those styles that we're protecting our natural hair, we saving our coin so that we can reach other levels and other things that we have going on in our individual lives. So anything that can help me save money and protect my natural hair, I am all for it. Okay. Other than that, I love the shine to them. I love how they look. I'm absolutely in love with the Passion Twist. Janet Collection did a good job. As you can tell, there is a curl on the end as well. So I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.